Buonasera! Here we are again, cooking another dish. Today is something very very simple. Everybody want to know how to do it properly. It's a bruschetta, no bruschetta, bruschetta. How can we do the bruschetta? It's very very simple. It's a few ingredients again. You can do at home while you're there waiting that this is gonna go over. Just do experimental things. Just some tomato, some garlic, some onion, and of course you need bread. The bread is plays a very big part in this. So you can toast the bread in the oven. You can toast even in a frying pan. So make sure that you got a very high temperature so you can toast it. Okay, this is getting hot, and cut a nice chunk of bread. Oh, look at that, nice slice. One and two. That's the first part of the dish. So cut in half this, and this is getting hot. Use the best ingredient you can. We have got the best extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put just a little bit on the bottom here, just to make sure that it's gonna be nice and crispy, this bread. Very hot pan. Again, 3 pieces, it's enough. And this you can save for later. So, tomato. Try to use nice and red tomato for this dish. Cut in half. Make sure you take it off the hard bit, which is the top here. 1 and 2. And put on the side there. Then you do nice small chunks. Look, it's a very very quick dish that you can do anytime in really 7 to 8 minutes. You can have a nice bruschetta, and you can eat with your friend, with your family. So put 1 in there. This is 2. Sorry, this is not, we don't need. Make sure that the bread doesn't burn. Very very important. Nice and crispy, but no burn. So another tomato. Try to get the more ripe one. What I'm going to do this time, I'm going to save some of this, and I'm going to use it for decorating my dish. So look at that. I made the habi. This I use again for the bruschetta. Take it off what you don't need. And again, cut it nice and chunky. Tomato. 1 eye on the bread. Okay. I hope that the alarm doesn't go off, but I'm checking on it. So that's the alarm there, but it's the first time I'm cooking here, so it might go off. Let's open it. Okay, so we got enough tomato. Nice big chunks of tomato here. The bread is getting nice and crispy. Here we are. What we need to put is some salt on the tomato, some of red onion, not too much, just a nice little small pieces, very small. Put in there. Some people don't even put onion. That's my version of bruschetta. Mind your finger when you do this. It's very important that you need your finger. Make sure that your finger stay like that. Here we are. The bread is ready. some pepper in there, some oregano, and to finish the whole dish, here we put again extra virgin olive oil. You can put, very slippery oil. You can prepare the tomato before. The longer you keep, well, I mean, if you keep for 6 hours, it tastes even better. Otherwise, just keep as and when you want. The next ingredient is garlic. Got a nice garlic. I've got a clean garlic here. There's two ways to do that. You can put it straight in there in small pieces, or you can just grate some of this on the bread just to give the right taste. 1 and 2. You see, it's using quite a bit, but it's not in your mouth. So that's one. Then I'm gonna put the tomato on top. Wait, even I forget things. Basil is very, very important. I nearly forgot to put the basil. It's very, very important. With tomato, basil, it marries very well. Very, very important to do that. And again, let's marinate this. So we got the garlic there, the onion, the tomato, and the basil. Salt, pepper, oregano, and now it's going to go on the bread. 1, 2. Nice tomato there. Here we are. This is the second bit of tomato, and the bruschetta, and the third bit again with the garlic to scrape on top the most as you can, and again you put the nice and tasty and juicy tomato that we have here. You can put like that. Basil leaf on the bottom here, just to decorate. And to finish off, we can put again some extra virgin olive oil, and in no time we made a nice bruschetta for you to enjoy with your family, with your friend. Nice beer, and that's it. That's what you need. Enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Ciao.